Welcome back everyone to Evo Tom's Pokemon Booster Pack opening. Today I'm opening 3 Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Packs from the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Box. So let's get started. Now, if you haven't already subscribed yet, feel free to do so, and don't forget to tap the notification bell to get alerts when I post a new video. I'll push this to the back. Alright, so our first pack's going to be Toxtricity. Alright. So, lately I've been opening up a lot more Pokemon boxes and tins, and I'm going to be doing that a lot more often in the future. Alright, so we got Phantom. And a white card, alright. So, 4 from the back. And I think I'm gonna get Steel type energy. Oh, Psychic. Alright, so the next card's gonna be Lampant. Gullamine. Bronzong. Phantom. Bronzer. Toxel. Applin. Galarian Darumaka. Meditate. Holo. Haven't gotten him as a holo yet. Alright. And our last one's going to be Stonjourner. I do have him as a reverse, but he still looks very, very good. Alright, so our next pack's going to be Inteleon. Alright, hopefully we're going to get some good luck here. If you like Stonjourner, leave me a like. And also tell me what you guys liked about the video so far. Alright, so we got Lotad. I still need Ludicolo. Oh, it's a green card. So 4 from the back. And I think I'm going to get Fire Energy. Oh, Steel type. I said the last one. Alright, so Heatmore, he's a fire type. Zartu. Tranquil. Lotad. Clefairy. Voltorb. Growlithe. Drippy. And Bronzong Holo. I do have him as a holo, but he looks good. And Barbaracle. That's alright. Alright, time for our last pack. It's Inteleon. Another one. Alright, see what we're going to get in this one. This pack won't open. Oh, here we go. So we got Squavet. We've got a green card. Oops. Now, I think I'm going to go with Steel type energy. Haha. Wow. Alright, so we got Indeedee. Charger Bug, Metapod, Squavet, Galarian Mr. Mime, Caterpie, Barboch, Arrokuda, and Surskit Holo. I haven't gotten him as a holo yet. I've gotten him many times as a non-holo. And Galarian Runerigus. Well, that's all the packs for today. I'm going to be showing off the cards that I got, but I'll only be showing off the holo versions of those cards. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Tap the notification bell to get alerts when I post a new video. Also, check out my Instagram page and check out my last video, links in the description below. And I'll see you Pokefans next time for another Pokemon Booster Pack opening.